Imagine this. You get to the airport feeling confident only to watch TSA toss your water bottle, your protein powder, and yes, even your carefully packed medication into the bin. You're stunned, embarrassed, and suddenly your trip is in chaos. Starting April 2026, these surprises are happening to travelers every single day. Stick around. Secret number 7 might be something you've been carrying for years without even realizing it. Number 1. Protein powders and other powders. You might think your morning whey protein, pancake mix, or powdered drink mix is harmless. But starting April 2026, any powder-like substance over 12 ounces, or about the size of a soda can, can trigger TSA alerts. That includes baby formula, powdered greens, and even electrolyte mixes. Why? Because certain powders can resemble explosives on their scanners. These travelers are already reporting long security delays, all because of something as innocent as a protein pouch. Here's the fix. Pre-portion your powders, keep containers under 12 ounces, label them clearly, and place them in a separate bin at security. Even if it's just a scoop of matcha or a tiny bag of flour, don't assume it will pass unnoticed. And number 2, smart luggage. Those high-tech suitcases with built-in GPS, USB chargers, and remote locks. Beautiful, until TSA sees the non-removable lithium battery inside. If the battery can't come out, the entire bag can be confiscated, even at check-in. Why? Lithium batteries can overheat, and if that happens in the cargo hold, it's a major fire hazard. Airlines and top brands like Away and Samsonite are redesigning bags just to meet these new rules. Pro tip, always check if the battery is removable and pack it in your carry-on. If not, you might be saying goodbye to that $400 bag before your plane even takes off. But here's the thing. Wait until you see what's happening to something as simple as your water bottle in Section 3. You'll want to know this before you pack. Number 3, reusable water bottles with a twist. You probably thought eco-friendly bottles were TSA-proof. Think again. In 2026, bottles that hide pills, powders, or have double-walled compartments are being flagged constantly. TSA doesn't have time to investigate. If it looks suspicious, it's gone. Even popular bottles with detachable pill holders or secret bases can raise red flags. Solution: stick to clear, single-compartment bottles and always empty them before security. Yes, even if you just want to sip water on the plane, don't assume novelty bottles will pass unnoticed. Travelers have reported losing bottles they didn't even realize had hidden sections. Number 4, external laptop batteries and power banks. Here's where tech-savvy travelers get caught off guard. Batteries over 100 watt-hours require airline approval, and anything over 160 watt-hours is outright banned. TSA agents won't do the math for you, and unlabeled devices are pulled instantly. That means your backup battery for a laptop, tablet, or camera could never make it on board if it's not properly documented. Pro tip: carry batteries in your carry-on, check watt-hour ratings in advance, and get airline approval if needed. Never ever put these in checked luggage. A single mistake here can delay your trip or even ground your device at security. And here's a sneak peek of what's coming next. Number 5 is something families with kids carry every day. If you're flying with little ones, this one could ruin an entire morning at the airport. Stick around, because it's more than just a toy. Number 5, toys that look like weapons. Parents, pay attention. TSA isn't playing around anymore. Plastic swords, toy guns, foam nunchucks, lightsabers, even superhero figurines with removable mini weapons can get confiscated. It doesn't matter if it's neon-colored or clearly for kids. The rule is simple. If it could cause alarm or confusion, it doesn't fly. Families have reported entire trips delayed because of a single toy pistol tucked in a backpack. Tip: leave anything that resembles a weapon at home or risk watching an $80 collectible tossed in the bin while you scramble through security. And don't think your child's favorite action figure is safe. They check everything that could look like a threat. Number 6, camping gear and outdoor equipment. That lightweight tent, titanium stakes, or collapsible stove you plan for your adventure. Many of these are now flagged as dual-use tools or potential weapons. Fuel canisters are absolutely banned, and even certain stove adapters or sharp components can be pulled. One traveler reported losing a $300 ultralight stove because of a tiny sharp-edged piece TSA deemed unsafe. Pro tip, ship your gear ahead to your destination, buy locally, or pack inexpensive versions for travel. Never bring fuel, flammable liquids, or pressurized gas and carry-on. It's a guaranteed red flag. But here's where it gets really tricky. Number 7 is affecting seniors more than anyone else. One, if you think your pills are safe, think again. Stick around, because this one could ground an entire flight if you're not prepared. Number 7, medications with certain names or ingredients. Seniors, listen up. This one hits hardest. Some prescription meds like sleep aids, anti-anxiety drugs, or painkillers with codeine are now flagged at security checkpoints, even in the US. Over-the-counter allergy pills can also get pulled. If your pills are unlabeled or loose in a pill organizer, TSA can confiscate them, and in some cases, you might face additional screening or temporary detainment. Tip: always travel with the original prescription bottles, bring a doctor's note, and declare your meds before screening, not after. Even a single unlabeled pill can cause major delays and turn a simple trip into a stressful ordeal. We're number 8, batteries and personal devices, electric razors, toothbrushes, clippers. These seem harmless until TSA flags them for non-standard lithium batteries. Older models or international devices sometimes don't show watt-hour ratings, and that's enough for TSA to pull your device. Tip: check your device for clear battery labeling and carry it in your hand luggage, not checked bags. If it's essential for grooming or medical needs, consider bringing a backup. Losing a toothbrush might sound minor, but imagine showing up to a week-long trip without your necessary devices. And don't relax yet. Number 9 is something you probably eat every day, but how you wrap it could land you in a full bag search. Stick around. You won't believe how simple items can create massive airport delays. Number 9, DIY snacks in foil or opaque wraps. Bringing your own sandwich seems harmless, right? Not in 2026. TSA scanners can't see through aluminum foil, which means burritos, sub-sandwiches, even wrapped chocolate bars can trigger full bag searches. It's not banned, but it wastes time and can make you miss your gate. Tip: use clear plastic wrap, Tupperware, or parchment paper. TSA-friendly packing not only saves time, but ensures your homemade snacks actually make it on the plane without inspection drama. Number 10, incense, herbal powders, and spiritual items. Global travelers carrying cultural or religious powders are now facing scrutiny. Strong-smelling, unlabeled, or flammable powders, even sacred items like sand, sage, or ritual herbs, can be confiscated on the spot. TSA isn't questioning your beliefs. They're just following policy for unmarked substances. Tip: pack these items carefully, label everything, and place them in your carry-on. If possible, declare them early to avoid losing something sacred. Travelers have reported losing rare items at security simply because a screener wasn't familiar with the object. But here's a bonus rule that's catching frequent flyers off guard: overstuffed bags. You measured your carry-on, weighed it, even zipped it closed, but that bulging zipper or extra tech cord could still get your bag pulled aside. Airlines and TSA are cracking down on bags that look too full, and it can cost you extra fees up to $90. Stick around, because this last point might save you hundreds in travel headaches. Even your everyday gadgets are not completely safe. Chargers, adapters, and small electronics may look innocent, but TSA is flagging devices that don't clearly display battery specifications or watt-hour ratings. That means your laptop charger, camera battery, or even a spare power bank could trigger extra screening. Here's the kicker: TSA agents don't have time to double-check labels. If something looks unusual or unlabeled, it gets pulled. Travelers have reported missing flights because a single tech accessory held up the entire line. Pro tip: check every gadget before you leave home. Label batteries, confirm watt-hour ratings, and carry essential electronics in your hand luggage. Avoid check bags for devices with lithium batteries. One small oversight could ruin your entire trip. And while we're still on things you think are harmless, wait until you hear about number 8 simple items, like everyday snacks and foil-wrapped foods, that are silently causing major security headaches. You'll never pack the same way again. By now, you've seen just how many everyday items can get confiscated by TSA starting April 2026. From powders and medications to water bottles, toys, camping gear, and even tech chargers, nothing is as safe as it seems. The big takeaway: label everything, pre-portion, check battery specs, and test your bag at home. Even small oversights like foil-wrapped snacks, overstuffed zippers, or hidden compartments can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. But here's the part most travelers don't realize. TSA rules are always evolving, and new items can appear on the flag list without warning. That seemingly harmless kitchen ingredient or gadget you've traveled with for years, it could be next. So if you think you've packed smart and nothing will get taken, think again. Because starting April 2026, the line between safe and confiscated is thinner than ever, and one overlooked item could turn a smooth airport experience into a complete disaster. Stick around, travel smart, and remember, the items they don't tell you about could be hiding in plain sight.